Hello and welcome to English with Michael, and today we are going to look at 50 important verbs for English conversation. So learning these verbs will allow you to express your basic needs, daily activities for instance, and questions. So all a very good idea if you want to be able to communicate using English. So the first example, so we have be verbs, is, am, and are for present tense, and was, were for past tense. So you will be familiar with these. Am, I am. So when you're talking about yourself, is equals one. So he is walking, he is happy. Are relates to two or more, plural. They are, we are. Have, has, and had. You use this when you've got something. I have the money. I have a cold. He has a cold. He had for past. Do, does, and did. Now do relates to doing words, verbs. What did you do yesterday? I stayed at home. What does your wife or your husband do for a living? They are an accountant. So it talks about doing. And did talks about the past. What did you do yesterday? Can talks about ability. Can you do this? Will relates to the future. I will go shopping tomorrow. The modal verb would. I would go shopping tomorrow, but I'm going on holiday. Could. I could go shopping tomorrow, but I think I'll go shopping a different time. May or might. You're not sure, 50-50. I may go shopping. I may not. I might go shopping, but I'm not sure. So conversational verbs like say talks about speaking. What do you say? Or talk. I'm talking. What did you talk about? Speak. What were you speaking about? Ask. Could you please ask the waiter to come to our table? Answer relates to a question. Could you please answer the question? What is your answer to my question? Hear relates to hearing, using your ears. Can you hear me? Can you hear the music? Can you hear the television? Listen. Listening to music. I was listening to you. I can't listen. I would like to listen to the TV. See relates to your eyes. I can't see. I can see. I would like to see. So action and daily verbs like go or went. I go shopping on Tuesdays. I went to the gym yesterday. Come. Can I come to the gym with you? Get, got. I get milk delivered every day. I got milk delivered yesterday. Make and made. I make breakfast every morning. I made you breakfast, but you didn't eat it. Take. When you pick something up and you take it. Or if you pick something up like a cup and you take it to the kitchen. Put is to place on something. I put my cup on the table. Give. Money. Give me money. So when you have something and you're giving it to somebody else. Use. Function. I'm using this cup to drink coffee. Want relates to desire. What do you want? So what do you want in the future? Do you want a better job? Do you want a promotion? Do you want more money? Know relates to your knowledge. I know how to do algebra. Think relates to your thoughts. I think I understand. I'm thinking about it. Need relates to something more than you want. It's a strong want. I'm thirsty. I need a drink. I'm hungry. I need to eat. Help. Can you help me? I can't do something myself. Someone needs to help me. They need to do this for me because I can't. So if I fall over on the street when it's icy, can you help me get up? Or can I help you get up? Open the door, close the door. Open your mail, open an email. Close the door, close the email. Start. To begin an activity like start learning English or stop learning English. You might start your car and drive away, and then when you reach your destination, you stop your car. Play. You can play music, play the guitar, write a letter, write an email. People would say type an email, write an email, used interchangeably, because the act of communicating with words that you can see was formerly used by writing or done by writing. So that's why this would apply to emails. You don't actually write an email, you type it. But some people say write. Eat food, drink water. Sleep. I'm going to sleep. I'm sleeping now. Walk. I'm walking to the shop. I'm walking my dog. Run. I'm running for the bus. I'm running for the train. I don't know why, they're always late anyway. Drive. I'm driving to work. I'm driving a bus. Work. Work is a verb. Doing your job. What is your job? Whatever activities you do in your job, you're working. Learn relates to your mind. I'm learning English. I'm learning IT. I'm learning how to cook a curry. Teach. I'm teaching you English. Past tense taught. You were taught English. Watch. Now, watch, you can be a watch, but that's a noun. This relates to seeing. I watch TV. Look also relates to your eyes. Look at the view. Look out the window. Find. If you lose something and you can see it, you find it. Past tense, I found it. Buy in the shop. If you have money, you might want to buy, I don't know, some milk. That seems the common thing. I need some milk. Go to the shop and buy milk. Give them money and you take the milk. Sell. You might sell milk. I don't know. You might sell something on eBay or Vinted. I'm not plugging eBay or Vinted, by the way, but you might sell things on there. Pay. If you go to the shop, you pay with money. When you buy something, you pay with money. So verbs of being and feeling. So what are they? Feel. Usually relates to your feeling. Also emotions as well. I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel angry. Seem. Now this is a strange word. It seems to be true. So that means if something looks like something, it seems that way. So for instance, if somebody's shouting at you, it may seem that they're angry at you, but sometimes they're not. They might just be angry in general, but it seems that they're angry. Love, you fall in love, you get married, or you could love a certain food like curry, lamb madras, something like that. Or you might love a holiday destination. I loved my holiday. It was great. Like, it's not as strong as love, but you like it. Coffee, for instance. I like coffee, but I don't love it. Hate is the opposite of love. So you can go on holiday and you can absolutely not like it. You hate it. You hated the place. It was raining. I hate the cold. I don't like the cold. I prefer warm weather. I hate Marmite. Some people love it or you hate it. That's the advert. So thank you for watching. If you really like this video or if you just liked it, press like or subscribe. If you'd like to leave a message in the comment section, that would be great. Also, please check the description for links to recommended books and also to my website where I'm offering courses. So if you want to learn English online, yeah, you can check there for that. Anyway, thank you. Bye.